Hey fellas, welcome to my brand new video and channel in which we will learn some coding stuff. So let's begin. The first question arises is, what is the use of learning HTML? So HTML is an essential language for anyone who is aspiring to become a front-end web developer. This markup language is used on pretty much every web page, and it makes it simple to create engaging content in a way that web browser can understand, and it is as simple as it looks. So the next question is how to make a web page using HTML. So let's begin with our second question. So I'm telling you how to make a web page using HTML in Sublime text editor, which is used to create HTML web pages in which we can write Python code too, but it cannot be run. We need a console to run it. So let's talk about HTML. So for creating a new file, we will do Control plus N, then save it, Control plus S. I want to save it in my YT code stuff and name it as first. So before saving the HTML file, we have to give it an extension which is .html or htm. By saving it, make easier to write code. So for write the basic structure of the HTML web page, we will start with a less than sign, then write HTML, then enter. So this basic structure come first. So the HTML consists of tags, which is an on tag and the off tag. So the on tag is the starting of a tag and off tag is the ending of a tag where the tag ends. So the basic structure is like this: HTML, then head, then title of a web page, then the ending of head, the starting of body, ending of body, between of body. We can write anything to show on our web page, and last the ending of the HTML. So we will give the title of our first HTML page is HTML web page. Let's see, Control plus S, then we will have to run it in browser. See, the browser icon is also coming. It is Microsoft Edge, but we will run it with Brave browser. So this is our new web page. The title is here, and if we want to write something here, we will have to write between body. So I have written this text here, and let's see will it will come on the browser or not. Control plus S, HTML web page. Okay, it is not coming. I know why, because we have not refreshed it. Control plus R, and now it is coming. See, this text is, the font of this text is smaller. If we want to give it a bigger text, we will have to write one more tag, which is h3s. See, this all tag are for font size. H1 is bigger, h2 is little bit lower, 3 lower, 4 little bit more lower, like this. So we will write h3, which is normal. The text should be between these two tags, because this is the on tag, this is the off tag, and the text should be in the between. Control plus S, Control plus R to refresh, and here it comes. Now the font size is normal. We will write here simply 1 in both on and off tag. Refresh it. Now it is more bigger. And what if you want to center your sentence? So for this there is also a tag which is called center tag. Start with the less than sign, then center, enter, then cut it, then paste it here, because this sentence also should be in the middle of these two on tag. all tags start with this less than sign and end with this greater than sign, and the off tag start with less than, then slash, then the tag name, and then the greater sign. See, refresh it, and this comes in the center of our web page. That's all for today. If you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe and like this video, share it to your friends, and bye.